parrot is a vampire. The rare Dracula parrot from New Guinea is probably one of the scariest looking parrots ever. Their heads look like vultures and their eyes look like they're filled with hatred for all humanity. Even though they're called Dracula parrots, they eat figs and other fruit, not blood. At least that's what they say. You might have thought that the cockatoo's call was bad, but the Dracula parrot's call sounds like cries from their previous victims. I mean, their calls are very nice and definitely not raspy. They're actually very rare, and buying one is completely illegal, so you don't need to be afraid when I say that